Loose change for getting.
This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. If you encounter 0x80070661 error while you are trying to update Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it. The second solution is to reset Windows Update components. While the procedure is complex, we have made it easier by creating the FixWin software. You can download it from our website and install it on your computer. Once you open the FixWin tool, go to the Additional Fixes tab on the left-hand side. In the right pane, go to the Quick Fixes tab. Click on Reset Windows Update History. The software will do the rest for you. The third solution is to download updates manually from the Windows Updates catalog website and install them. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search bar, search for the current month and year in the YYYY-MM format. For example, I would search for 2023-03 to search for the latest updates. Now, when the updates appear, download and install the latest update to your system. If none of these solutions help, simply wait for a few days and try again. Did this fix your problem? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, let us know in the comments section. We will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.